Hello everyone and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to enable Siri Pro with ChatGPT on iPhone. To start, I will show you some links that we will need to go to. First, let's go to platform.openai.com. Once you are now here, click Login and then log into your account. Once done inputting your username, input your password and then select Continue. Now wait for the website to finish loading. Now head on over to API keys, then select the button that says Create a new security key. In here, when it says API key generated, copy the link. Then click OK once done. Now the next step is to open the second link from the ones that I showed you from before. Now let's open our internet browser and head on over to iCloud.com. Once done, we are now going to be opening the second link, the ones that I showed you from the notepad. Wait for the website to finish loading this time. In here, you should be in Inteligente Sin API. Select the blue button on the bottom corner and wait for the website to finish loading. In here, tap on the API. We're now going to be going to all shortcuts. And then in here, select the name of the API. And then we can rename this to whatever we want it to be. And then in here, over at the text, we are going to be erasing the default one over here. And then we are going to be pasting the link that we just copied. Now go back to the OpenAI and then copy the API security key and then go back to shortcuts. In here over at text, we are going to be deleting the ones that we pasted and then we are going to paste this new security key coming in from the AI. Then in here, we are going to be changing the shortcuts. Once done changing the shortcuts, scroll down, then select Done on the upper right. And every time you use it, just use whatever text you added or the shortcut, and then a pop-up will appear. It is now integrated. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.